Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to the Jnanapeetha YouTube channel. With Shri Krishna Janmashtami just around the corner, I would like to wish you all a very happy Janmashtami in advance. To make this year's festival even more special, our channel is organizing a wonderful Krishna Janmashtami competition. The competition categories include, for example, Krishna costume competition, Bhagavad Gita recitation, Krishna painting, devotional song singing competition. We have organized this competition exclusively for the subscribers of our channel. This is a wonderful platform for all of you to showcase your talent. Image please. How to participate. Participating in this competition is very easy. Step 1. Record a 1 to 2 minute video of your talent, dance, song, shloka, or painting. Step 2. Send that video to the WhatsApp number 6,363,802,418. Deadline. The last date to submit your entries is August 31, 2026. Rules and regulations. Original content. All entries must be original and free of any copyright issues. 1 entry. Only 1 entry per person is allowed. No AI. Any entry generated using artificial intelligence, will be disqualified. Selection process. Winners will be selected based on a combination of our judges' decisions and viewer feedback. Subscription. You must be a subscriber of the Jnanapeetha YouTube channel. Screenshot is mandatory. Entry fee. The entry fee is 199 rupees. Selection method, evaluation criteria. Every participant's video will be published on our Jnanapeetha YouTube channel. Participants must share their video on their own social media platforms to gain likes and comments. Marks obtained through YouTube engagement are capped at 50 points. The remaining 50 points will be determined by video quality, clarity, and presentation. Prizes. Winners will be awarded a gift voucher, a Krishna idol, or a Bhagavad Gita book. Additionally, the video featuring the winners will be showcased in our channel's community post. Prizes. First prize, 5,000 rupees. Second prize, 3,500 rupees. Third prize, 2,500 rupees. Image please. So, why delay? Start preparing today and show your talent to the world. For more information, check the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Jai Shri Krishna. And here is a promotional image slide based on your message, featuring a beautiful depiction of young Lord Krishna and a clear call to action.